Hi everyone, this is Michaela and we are here with mini audit of your Pinterest business profile. I'm Pinterest expert and I help online store or business owners to drive traffic using Pinterest and getting the ideal clients to your website or to your online store. So let's start straight away because we want to find random Pinterest business profile and really show you how you can improve it and really get to the right or attract the right ideal customer. And because it's summer, I'm choosing summer style as our keyword to search for really something which is like a summer related. And we are talking, I'm going to search totally random account and I'm going to do this mini audit for free and get out all the best tips and tricks you have from Pinterest expert. So we are going to choose somebody, like let's say not so like with millions of followers and something like that. Let's go with some middle ground. So I would go maybe with woman fashion. We can try and see how their account is and if we can improve something here. So we have women's fashion style 2024 casual wear summer outfits. Let's have a look. They have over 182 monthly views and impressions. I actually like the first cover picture. I think it's pretty cool. Maybe I would add, for me, I would modify a little bit and maybe add something more here. Something like summer, I mean, it's probably not only summer outfits, but let's have a look on the website. Maybe women's fashion here, women's fashion and outfits, and I would put a URL here like mirrach.com. Let's have a look at their website. Okay, Mirrach fashion, perfect. Premium quality. You have great taste, baby. Let's see what other collections: shoes, dresses, bags, two pieces sets, swimwear. Yeah, it looks pretty nice. Let's see the menu. Yeah, shipping. Contact us. Weather, dresses, bags. Yeah, they have a lot of things. I would go with women's fashion and accessories, or yeah, something like that here. Like the main tagline, the main statement, what they do: Mirrach fashion, woman outfits and accessories. www.mirrach.com here on the picture. So I straight away know, okay, this is about women's fashion, dresses, outfits, and anything related. So here we have logo. That's perfect. I think this you probably need to like change every year, I guess, because if you would start in 2024, I would assume you don't have anything for the previous year, so it might be a little bit tricky here. I don't know if I would put any year. Maybe just put like women's fashion, it's fine, casual wear, summer outfit. I would probably maybe add something like accessories or woman accessories and remove the style 2024 maybe, or you just change it every year if you want. But usually Pinterest is very seasonal, so I will look for more like overall things like, women's fashion or dresses or casual wear outfits, and not like the specific year and when I want to wear it. You have the website verified. This is perfect. Official Pinterest account, inspire your perfect weekend look. We design in USA your perfect prom dress, miniskirt, pants, top, accessories, shoes, and more. I would definitely put this at the end because the first thing I see is official Pinterest account. You don't have to say that. That's like you're using this space. I could get more information. This all should be at the end or not. I wouldn't put it at all. For example, this, it's not really relevant information for me. I would just start with design at US and definitely add some more keywords like women's fashion, summer outfits in general, casual wear, all these things you have here. So I would add them here. Women fashion, accessories, outfits, casual wear for women, and all these things. I would add them in the, you have enough space, basically. You have 500 characters, so you can really use the space. Let's have a look on the boards. Let's see, we have a lot of boards and a lot of also group boards, which not all might be relevant. I would say that's like only, it sounds like, it looks like there's only like a couple of boards with 2 people or maybe more. You see only like 2 people. Yeah, I mean, group boards are good if you are having at least some, you know, like some corporations together. If there are only 2 accounts here, it doesn't really make sense to be in this group board because, I mean, you just using like 1 or 2 boards and that's it. Yeah, I would probably, I don't know, I would probably do some selection here of like suite. Doesn't mean, I mean, anything who doesn't have to do anything with the business, I would archive these boards or leave them if they are group boards. The same like Amazon Must, Back to School, ABBA, Self-Improvement, Valentine's Outfits, Projects to Try, all these things. There are kitchenware, bed covers, sunglasses, really, bikini outfits, maybe. All the things, there are a lot of boards, they are not relevant at all, and I would remove them because you kind of showing the algorithm of Pinterest works this way that you want Pinterest to understand that your profile is about outfits, fashion, women's collection, and not about anything else, right? So as long as you give them, like if you have the bed cover here or sweets or back to school, doesn't really relate to your business at all. So for me, I don't know why all of these accounts, maybe you have 2 accounts, have really like all of them, maybe you're just using them to pin your pin, you know, to each other, which is could be interesting strategy, but I wouldn't be using it all the time. Maybe if sometimes, yeah, for sure. Let's have a look on your pins. I mean, we have mostly videos, right? Let's see. Christian address, effortlessly elegant. Yeah. The only keyword here is, let's say, dress. The name, it's not keyword. Maybe, yeah, casual day out. Yeah, probably only dress. It's the keyword, which is shame because you could definitely add more things, more keywords. Okay, here we have dress, fashion forward woman. Yes. Don't miss on this essential piece for your wardrobe. Not bad. I would definitely use more keywords in the title and also on the pin. Sweater. And of course, you should keep your brand in the sense of the logo of your business should be on all the paints. So you should, I would be adding logos and sometimes a text. Of course, overlay text on the paints. Dress, yeah. Perfect fit, elegant for an occasion. Yeah, I mean, it's not, it's okay. I mean, it could be still improved. And definitely add some visual identity like your logo. And sometimes I will be adding text and trying only maybe image pins because all of them are like a slideshow. Here you have all of them are basically the same 20 seconds videos, kind of slideshow, let's say. So I would try something else, you know, like image paints or give them some tips. You could also have some tips. Let me have a look. Maybe you have some about you, about the brand, you know, not only products, but maybe something else too. So I would do this, and yeah, that's the mini audit for this brand. In this case, Mirrach Fashion. And if you guys feel like also having this audit, there is a table you can write your Pinterest business account, and every week we have these mini audits. So I try to give you the best tips and how you can improve your profile and really drive the traffic to your store, or basically increase revenue because more people coming to your store, then of course there is a more possibilities they're going to do some another action like sign up to your newsletter or basically reading some posts or looking at your products, and maybe in the future they save your pin and then they might buy something from you. So more people coming, more clients coming from Pinterest to your store or website, more possibility to basically increase your revenue. So again, my name is Michaela. If you like my tips, you can subscribe to my channel here, because every week I also give you different tips how to monetize on Pinterest and how you can use different, business revenues through Pinterest. So that's it, and I see you next week with another mini audit. Have a great day.